Here's an old Stahlwille socket set, 1/2 inch, made in Germany. It doesn't say West Germany or East Germany, it just says Germany, so I'm assuming it's post fall of the Berlin Wall. I've put some foam in there and a rail so they don't rattle around. Number 58 for 8 sockets, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19 and 22, and 1 for 1 accessory. There we go, background noise for us. This makes it more amusing. Yeah, some of the chrome's cracking on the sockets and everything, but they're all still good, really. More than usable. Great old tools. I replaced the 10 because it was missing. Yeah. It doesn't get more simple than that, does it? Might chuck this in the back of the 4-wheel drive or something. It's a little backup toolkit.